All right, welcome back again. So now this is where we stopped. uh, Now we want to put another conditional statement that this is for if it is incorrect, then it should give us so things. But now we want to say, but if it is correct, then it should be like this. So we all know that it's going to be else that we're going to be using this time around. Then we say else set correct. So in this place we said set incorrect, so this time around we say set correct. Okay, there is something I remembered that we need to actually correct. Set correct, then you open your parenthesis. What is this? And then we put, no, if it is correct, we just want it to put the username there, and that's all. So the username, then we want the borders to be colored green, right? But before we actually do that, there is something I remember that we have to correct here. This for value for password 2, where is it? So password 2 value should not just be password dot value, so it should be confirm password, because that is the variable we used here, this particular variable. So confirm password is what we're going to be using now. So it's supposed to be confirm password, confirm password dot value dot string. Okay, so now having set correct for this, then we're going to be passing an argument for this function too. We just passing this argument inside this and that function, so we are going to be calling the function now. So, and that's the next thing we'll be doing now. So you're going to say function set correct function set correct. No, for incorrect we have input and message, but this time around we don't need any message, so we'll just say input, just input. So having done that, we're going to be opening our code block and come down. So now we say const form order conform order is equal to input dot parent element. Okay, so input dot parent element, then okay. So for this case now, we are not talking about, we have already started this small message in the CSS that it should be hidden. So in this case we don't need to style all this at all, so we will move straight to this part, because this part actually talked about that small message. but in this case we don't need the small message when it is correct, so we move down to this part directly now. So, and that's going to be form order. Okay. So we're going to be saying form order dot class name, just as we have it there. Dot class name, then is equal to, so this time as form order success. Form order, is it correct that we used here? Let me check our CSS. Form order error, form order error. Okay, correct. So correct. All right, so let's save this, and then I'll just copy part of this one. So copy parts. When you copy parts, because I've already opened our prototype to that. So these are prototype. Let me refresh. Here. So I'll be opening another tab to view the new one. And then now I copied part there, so I'm just going to paste what I copied there now. So that's another way in which you can view your HTML. So you can just copy part and come and open it here. Okay, so this is where we have for this now. So let's try and do this, and then, so can you see now? So this bring the green color. All right, see you in just a moment. Bye.